Here's a solid green day for one of the more interesting and specialized photonic semiconductor names in June 2026. POET Technologies Inc. just climbed over 4.3% today, gaining about 43 cents. The stock is now trading around $10.28. After strength tied to AI data center demand for faster, more efficient optical interconnects, this kind of move has some investors paying closer attention to whether this small cap tech story is finally getting real traction in the exploding AI infrastructure market. Welcome back to the channel everyone. It's June 2026 and today we are doing a full extended detailed deep dive on POET Technologies Inc. ticker POET. Right now the stock is trading around $10.28 after rising roughly 4.37% today. That's a solid gain of about 43 cents in one session. A noticeable green candle in the volatile semiconductor and optical tech space. We are going to take our time with this one and make it thorough, unpack every major angle across the technology, market opportunity, partnerships, financial realities, competitive positioning, risks and long-term scenarios, so you walk away with a complete, balanced and in-depth picture. This will be one of the longer, more comprehensive breakdowns. Four major threads we are unpacking in this much longer video. First, their innovative POET optical interposer technology and how it enables high-speed, low-power optical interconnects that are critical for scaling AI data centers and high-performance computing. Second, progress on product development, customer engagements, and any design wins or partnerships with larger semiconductor or system players. Third, the challenges of scaling a small photonic company, including manufacturing ramp, cash needs, and competing against much larger incumbents in the optical networking space. And fourth, 1-200 IQ angle on how POET is positioned to become a key enabler in the AI infrastructure build-out by solving critical data movement bottlenecks with integrated photonic solutions that offer better performance and efficiency than traditional copper or discrete optics. If you like these honest, no hype, in-depth breakdowns on photonic tech, AI infrastructure, semiconductors, and high-risk, high-reward small cap stories, smash the like button right now, subscribe and drop your honest thoughts in the comments. Did you buy this move in POET seeing the long-term optical interconnect opportunity in AI, or are you waiting for more concrete customer traction and financial stability? Bull or bear after today's gain? Let me know below. I read every comment. Let's get into it with real depth. Stay with me through this entire extended video because toward the end I'm going to share a perspective on POET Technologies' integrated photonic approach that most retail investors chasing these percentage moves aren't fully connecting yet. This reframe could shift how you evaluate the role of optics in the AI revolution and why solving data movement at scale is becoming one of the biggest bottlenecks. We'll cover the business model in detail, numbers with full context, chart behavior, shareholder dynamics, deepest risks, multiple scenarios, and everything in between. First, let's take a thorough look at what POET Technologies actually does in mid-2026. This is a company developing photonic integrated circuits and optical interconnect solutions using their proprietary POET optical interposer platform. Instead of traditional approaches that combine discrete optical components, POET integrates lasers, modulators, detectors and waveguides onto a single platform, aiming for lower power consumption, higher speeds, smaller size and better cost efficiency. Their technology targets applications in AI data centers, high performance computing, telecom and networking, where moving massive amounts of data quickly and efficiently is essential. In the current environment, POET has been focused on advancing their technology to commercial readiness, engaging with potential customers and partners in the AI ecosystem, and highlighting how their solutions can help address the power and bandwidth challenges of scaling GPU clusters. The company remains in a development and early commercialization phase, with limited revenue but growing interest from the industry. Today's 4.37% gain likely reflects positive sentiment around AI infrastructure demand, any minor product or partnership updates, or broader small cap tech rotation, with decent volume showing continued trader interest. Now here's the real 200 IQ read most people are missing in the AI hardware space. As AI models and clusters grow larger, the biggest constraint isn't just compute power. It's moving data between chips, servers, and racks quickly without burning massive amounts of energy. Traditional copper interconnects hit limits on distance and power, while discrete optical solutions can be bulky and expensive. POET's integrated photonic approach aims to solve this by putting everything on one platform, potentially delivering better performance per watt and per dollar. If they execute, they become an essential plumbing layer for next-generation AI systems, where even small efficiency gains can translate into enormous cost and power savings at hyperscale. The 2026 picture shows a company in heavy R&D and commercialization mode. Revenue is still modest from early engineering samples or partnerships, with significant cash burn typical for a pre-scale tech developer. Bulls see this as early innings of a major opportunity in optical interconnects for AI. Bears highlight the execution risks of bringing new photonic technology to market, competition from larger players, and the capital needs to scale manufacturing. Let's talk numbers in more detail and with full context. Market cap sits in a range that reflects high expectations for the technology, but also discounts the pre-commercial risks. Revenue trends are limited but showing early signs of growth from development contracts and initial product shipments. Gross margins will be critical as they scale, while operating losses reflect heavy investment in R&D, team, and go-to-market efforts. The balance sheet has required funding rounds leading to dilution. Key things to watch include updates on design wins or customer qualifications, progress toward higher volume production, revenue ramp, cash burn rate, and any strategic partnership announcements. At current levels after today's gain, the stock is still highly speculative but offers leveraged exposure to success in AI optics. Here's something a lot of retail traders underestimate with a stock like POET. The shareholder base includes deep tech and photonic specialists, AI infrastructure believers, institutions exploring next-gen hardware, and momentum traders who rotate on AI news. This mix creates sharp volatility. Positive technology validation or partnership news can drive big rallies, while quiet periods of funding needs lead to pullbacks. Volume spikes on meaningful catalysts, showing genuine but selective interest. Taking a deeper look at the chart, POET has shown typical small cap tech behavior with sharp spikes on hype or news, followed by consolidations. Today's green candle helps it hold or build on recent levels. Support sits around $9 to $10, while resistance is higher at recent swing highs near $11 to $12. In a name like this, technicals take a backseat to technology updates, customer news, and overall AI/semiconductor sentiment. Key levels to watch include volume back breaks and reactions around major milestones. Upcoming catalysts include product qualification updates, partnership announcements, quarterly results, and broader AI hardware news. Now the deeper insight I promised you, and this is the reframe that matters. While many focus on the big GPU or server companies, very few are talking about the critical importance of high-speed, efficient optical interconnects as the quote-unquote nervous system of massive AI clusters. Data has to move at extreme speeds between thousands of GPUs, and traditional solutions are hitting physical and power limits. POET's integrated platform offers a potential leap in density, power efficiency, and cost that could become foundational for next-generation systems. If they succeed in qualifying and scaling, they aren't just another component supplier. They become an enabling technology that helps the entire AI ecosystem scale further and cheaper. The central debate right now is active. Is today's 4.37% gain a sign of building momentum in photonic AI solutions, or too risky given the small size and long commercialization path? Bull case in detail. They achieve key customer qualifications and design wins with major AI players, demonstrate superior performance in real deployments, scale manufacturing successfully, secure strategic partnerships, and the stock re-rates dramatically higher as investors price in their role in solving AI data movement bottlenecks. Bear case in detail. Commercialization timelines stretch longer than expected, customer adoption is slower, cash needs force more dilution, competition from larger optics players intensifies, or broader AI hardware sentiment cools. The stock could retrace significantly. The deepest risks include long technology qualification and sales cycles in enterprise/AI, high cash burn and dilution pressure typical of small tech developers, intense competition from established optical companies, execution risks scaling photonic manufacturing, and overall small cap volatility. But the irony here is compelling. A relatively small company developing advanced photonic interconnects is operating at exactly the time when data movement efficiency is becoming one of the biggest constraints in the AI revolution. Let's expand on the scenarios with more context. Bull scenario. Successful customer qualifications, strong technical validation data, major partnership announcements, revenue ramp, and continued AI infrastructure tailwinds lead to multiple strong legs higher and potential significant re-rating over time. Bear scenario, delays in product adoption, disappointing updates, higher cash burn, or sector rotation cause the stock to give back today's gains and test lower support levels. Short term, expect continued volatility around technology updates, partnership or customer news, funding announcements, and broader AI/semiconductor sentiment. Long term, POET Technologies Inc.'s success will depend on executing their photonic interposer vision, securing design wins and volume production, managing capital wisely, and capitalizing on the massive demand for efficient optical solutions in AI while navigating technical and competitive challenges. This remains a high risk, high reward deep tech story with potential structural importance in the AI supply chain. This is not financial advice, just my detailed extended analysis and open discussion. Always do your own thorough research and never risk money you can't afford to lose, especially with volatile small cap photonic and AI hardware stocks that can swing dramatically on news, milestones, and sentiment. So tell me honestly in the comments, after today's 4.37% gain in POET, are you bullish on POET technologies and their photonic interconnect solutions for AI, or concerned about the risks and commercialization timeline? Drop your detailed bull or bear thoughts below. If you want more in-depth photonic tech, AI infrastructure, and small cap semiconductor stock breakdowns in this longer format, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Technology and partnership news can move this name fast, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching this extended video. See you in the next one.